so many times I've heard this myself at the salon. The stylist will mention like what you just said. The client will look the stylist right in the face and go, I didn't even know you do hair extensions.
Right.
Like it's, you think just because you got trained or just because you bought something that they're just magically going to walk in. Hang your color ring on your station. I don't know, put your tool out. How can anybody ever know anything if you don't show it or talk about it? That is wild.
So, I just wrote an article for the American Hair Loss Council, and I sent it to Master Grayson,
Mm,
Jude Grayson, the karate guy. In his world, it's a military type of atmosphere where they all earn these titles, and you're supposed to address each person by their title or their last name. So I'm always Mr. Ori. And so he said, I told him, I said, listen, you know all that stuff you've taught me about social media. I wrote an article. He had me intro at a summit he was doing, a 4-day summit. He had people fly in from out of town to teach them how to do their business, how to run their businesses. And I introed the social media part because he said, yes, I agree with you. He has gotten so advanced in it, he's not covering the basics. So I covered the basics. And one of the parts of the article is basically that social media, Facebook specifically, is the new window into your salon.
mm.
And so if you're not posting pictures or videos, nobody's seeing what's happening in your salon. Like you just said, how does anybody know that you are doing extensions? How does anybody know you're doing anything if you don't post it? So basically people say, with social media, word of mouth is dead. Nobody really talks anymore. They're posting online because social media is the new word of mouth. That's where the talk happens. So the new window where you used to have your windows open, you'd work near the window so people walking by would see it. Not everybody works where there's a window. But luckily for us these days, we have a digital window like we're doing right now. We're in a window. That's how the world sees us. If we were just sitting talking at a coffee shop, nobody would ever know this happened.
Yeah, right.
But because we're doing it somewhere that could possibly live forever out on the internet, more and more people will get benefit from this. So if you're doing a service, any service, a new service, color, highlights, cuts, whatever it is you do, if you don't have a video camera up or your phone on a tripod and then posting it, nobody knows you did it. I mean, your client might tell a person. That's the slow way these days. So yeah, you've got to open your windows, which means you've got to post.
It's
I don't know.
wild.